Are you tired of spending countless hours scrubbing dishes by hand? Do you live in a small apartment, RV, or dorm where a full-size dishwasher simply isn't an option? Are you looking for a convenient solution that can give you sparkling clean dishes without the hassle of traditional dishwashing? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of countertop and portable dishwashers to help you find the perfect solution for your kitchen needs. 7. RCA Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Starting our countdown at number 7, we have the RCA Portable Countertop Dishwasher, specifically the RDW3208 model. This budget-friendly option has gained attention for its affordability, but our testing revealed some mixed results that potential buyers should consider carefully. The RCA dishwasher features a 6-place setting capacity, which is quite generous for a countertop unit, and comes with a stainless steel interior that gives it a more premium feel than some plastic alternatives. During our testing period, we found that the RCA dishwasher does deliver on its promise of quiet operation, running at just 34 decibels, which is remarkably silent, almost whisper quiet during operation. The unit measures approximately 22 inches wide and 17 inches tall, making it one of the larger countertop options. But this size allows it to accommodate larger dishes and cookware that smaller units simply can't handle. The flip-down plate rack is a thoughtful design feature that adds versatility for washing pots and pans. However, our extended testing revealed some concerning issues that affected our overall impression. The spray arms are located only at the bottom of the wash tub, which sometimes resulted in inconsistent cleaning performance, particularly for items placed in the upper portions of the unit. We noticed that proper loading became crucial. Dishes had to be positioned just right to ensure adequate water coverage. Additionally, while the unit claims to handle 6-place settings, we found that achieving this capacity often meant compromising on cleaning effectiveness. 6. Silonn Portable Countertop Dishwasher. At number 6, we have the Silonn Portable Countertop Dishwasher, a unit that promises smart features and modern convenience, but falls short in several key areas during our testing. The Silonn dishwasher comes in 2 variants, the SLCDW01 with a solid door and the SLCDW02 with a transparent viewing window and Wi-Fi connectivity. We tested the SLCDW02 model, which offers app control functionality that initially seemed impressive, but proved to have limitations in real-world use. The unit features a compact design measuring 16.9 inches in width, 17.7 inches in depth, and 18.1 inches in height, with a 4-place setting capacity. The triple spray arm technology is genuinely innovative, providing 360-degree cleaning coverage that outperforms many single or dual spray arm systems. During our testing, we appreciated the variety of wash cycles available. 7 in total, including intensive, baby care, ECO, rapid, normal, glass, and fruit washing modes. The high-temperature cleaning at 167 degrees Fahrenheit in the intensive and baby care cycles does provide effective sanitization. However, our testing revealed several issues that impacted the overall user experience. The Wi-Fi connectivity, while marketed as a premium feature, proved unreliable during our testing period. The app would occasionally lose connection, and the interface wasn't as intuitive as we'd hoped. More concerning was the noise level. At 56.3 dB, it's noticeably louder than many competitors, making it disruptive during quiet hours. This noise level is comparable to moderate rainfall, which can be intrusive in small living spaces. 5. COMFEE Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Moving up to number 5, we have the COMFEE Portable Countertop Dishwasher, a unit that represents a significant step up in performance and reliability from our previous entries. This dishwasher has gained considerable popularity among users, and our testing confirmed many of the positive aspects that make it a solid mid-range choice. The COMFEE unit features a built-in 5-liter water tank, eliminating the need for complex installation or permanent plumbing connections, which makes it incredibly versatile for various living situations. During our extensive testing, we were impressed by the unit's cleaning performance across its 6 different wash programs: normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass, and air refresh. The steam cycle, in particular, stood out during our testing, reaching temperatures up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit, which effectively sanitize dishes and proved excellent for cleaning baby bottles and heavily soiled items. The dual spray arm system provides thorough coverage, and we consistently achieved spotless results with minimal pre-rinsing required. The unit's compact dimensions of 17.1 by 16.5 by 17.2 inches make it suitable for tight spaces while still accommodating a surprising amount of dishes. One of the standout features we discovered during testing was the air refresh circulation technology. This system actively removes excess moisture and unpleasant odors after each wash, ensuring dishes and the interior stay dry and fresh for extended periods. We found this particularly valuable when leaving clean dishes in the unit for several days. 4. HAVA Portable Countertop Dishwasher. At number 4, we present the HAVA Portable Countertop Dishwasher, a unit that impressed us with its thoughtful design, exceptional build quality, and outstanding cleaning performance. The HAVA dishwasher represents a premium approach to countertop dishwashing, and our testing confirmed that it delivers on its promises in most areas. The unit features a sleek, minimalist design with a dual-layer glass door and LED illumination that gives your kitchen a modern, sophisticated appearance. Our testing revealed that the HAVA dishwasher excels in cleaning performance, consistently delivering spotless results across various dish types and soil levels. The dual spray arm system, one upper and one lower, provides comprehensive 360-degree coverage, reaching temperatures up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit for thorough sanitization. We were particularly impressed with how well it handled stubborn stains and dried on food without requiring extensive pre-rinsing. The 5 wash cycles, normal, speed, soft, baby care, and fruit, cater to different cleaning needs effectively, with the baby care cycle proving excellent for sanitizing bottles and children's items. The build quality and attention to detail set the HAVA apart from many competitors. During our testing, we appreciated the incredibly quiet operation. It's one of the quietest units we've tested, making it suitable for open-plan living spaces or late-night use. The 1.3-gallon built-in water tank provides excellent flexibility, allowing placement anywhere without requiring faucet connection. The automatic water level indicator prevents overfilling, and the easy drain function makes maintenance simple. Securing the number 3 position is the Hermitlux Portable Countertop Dishwasher, a unit that surprised us with its excellent performance-to-price ratio and robust feature set. During our comprehensive testing, the Hermitlux consistently delivered impressive results while maintaining an attractive price point that makes it accessible to a broader range of consumers. The unit measures 16.85 by 16.73 by 18.03 inches and offers a 4-place setting capacity, striking an excellent balance between compact size and practical capacity. Our testing revealed that the Hermitlux excels in cleaning performance across its 5 washing programs: standard, fast, ECO, strong, and fruit cleaning. The dual high-pressure spray arms provide thorough 360-degree coverage, and we consistently achieved excellent results even with heavily soiled dishes 23-24. The strong cleaning mode proved particularly effective during our testing, tackling stubborn grease and dried-on food with impressive efficiency. The high-temperature sanitization feature reaches sufficient temperatures to effectively eliminate bacteria and provide peace of mind for baby items and heavily used dishes. The build quality impressed us throughout our testing period. Despite its affordable price point, the Hermitlux feels solid and well-constructed. The glass door design allows easy monitoring of the wash cycle, and the touch controls are responsive and intuitive. We appreciated the whisper-quiet operation. At approximately 50 dB, it's among the quieter units we've tested, making it suitable for any time of day use without disturbing household activities. The LED display is clear and easy to read, providing helpful information about cycle progress and remaining time. 2. Ecozy Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Taking the number 2 spot is the ecozy Portable Countertop Dishwasher, a unit that impressed us with its exceptional performance, innovative features, and outstanding value proposition. Throughout our extensive testing, the ecozy consistently delivered results that rival much more expensive units while maintaining an accessible price point. The unit's compact dimensions of 16.85 by 16.73 by 18.0, 3 inches house an impressive array of features that make it a standout choice for anyone seeking reliable countertop dishwashing. Our testing revealed that the ecozy excels in cleaning performance across its 5 selectable programs: normal, quick, ECO, heavy, and rinse/fruit. The dual 360-degree spray arms provide comprehensive coverage, and we consistently achieved spotless results across various dish types and soil levels. The heavy mode, operating at temperatures between 131 degrees Fahrenheit and 167 degrees Fahrenheit, proved exceptionally effective for heavily soiled dishes and baby bottles during our testing. We were particularly impressed with how well the unit handled protein residues and greasy cookware that often challenge other dishwashers. The drying performance of the ecozy exceeded our expectations throughout testing. The powerful heating elements effectively vaporize moisture, while the automatic ventilation system keeps dishes clean, dry, and ready to use for up to 72 hours. We found this extended freshness particularly valuable for busy schedules where dishes might remain in the unit for several days. The extra dry function addresses the common issue of damp dishes that plague many countertop units, consistently delivering completely dry results that require no additional toweling. 1. COMFEE Portable Countertop Mini Dishwasher. Claiming the top spot on our countdown is the COMFEE Portable Countertop Mini Dishwasher, a unit that consistently exceeded our expectations throughout extensive testing and represents the pinnacle of countertop dishwashing technology. This premium model combines exceptional cleaning performance, innovative features, and superior build quality to deliver an experience that rivals full-size dishwashers in a compact, portable package. Our testing confirmed that this unit justifies its position as the best countertop dishwasher available today. The cleaning performance of this COMFEE model is simply outstanding. During our testing, we consistently achieved spotless, bone-dry dishes across all 6 washing programs, including specialized cycles for different needs. The unit's ability to handle heavily soiled items without pre-rinsing impressed us repeatedly. We tested everything from dried egg yolk and chocolate syrup to greasy cookware, and the results were consistently excellent. The high-temperature cycles provide effective sanitization, making it ideal for baby bottles and items requiring extra hygiene. The UV light feature adds an additional layer of sanitization that sets it apart from competitors. What truly distinguishes this COMFEE model is its superior drying performance. The automatic door opening feature at the end of each cycle, combined with advanced drying technology, ensures dishes come out completely dry and ready for immediate storage. During our testing, we never encountered the water spots or dampness that plague many countertop units. The interior light illuminates the washing process, allowing easy monitoring while adding a premium feel to the overall experience. Final thought. That's all for today.